What it do, it's your boy T back at it again. And this week, chilling with my boy Kwasi. We got the Sacais that we said we're going to bring to you guys from the last video. So yeah.
Want to do the honors?
Yeah, we'll do this thing. It's on the right. It's on the right. We can do it right.
Yeah. Okay. The shoe is a bit like the Yeezy box, to be honest. Yeah. The way that you pull it out. So yeah, cop this from BSTN. Shout out to BSTN, man.
Yeah. Managed to give us a W. I can't lie. Getting your hand on these shoes is really hard. Like, I don't know how many waffles I entered and how many waffles we both lost. Yeah.
We're always losing, but managed to cop this pair.
Dope silhouette. He's cool.
This shoe, yeah. So this shoe came in this colorway, and it came in the blue, white, and black colorway. Going through, you know, the shoe holes and everything is just mad. And it has two tongues as well.
It's got two swooshes as well.
Two swooshes.
Two different colors. So it's got the red one and the navy. Then at the back, it says Nike Sacai, which is the collab they did with Sacai.
It says it on the second tongue as well.
Is it?
Nike Sacai.
Yeah, I didn't see that part.
No,
he says a comfortable shoe from you wearing it out
comfy.
and trying it and stuff.
Yeah, it's really comfy. It's like, I've not tried the normal blazers before or the off-white blazers. Yeah, I've not tried them on, but I must say this is really comfy. I'm not sure if they added an extra padding inside the insole, but it's really soft inside. It fits to my side, and yeah, it's really comfy to walk in. A bit hard on the outsole, I'll say, but
yeah, because you can see in like the back there's like 4 different outsoles or something. Which is just yeah.
But then again, if you have the shoe in hand, then you press on the outsole or the bottom of the shoe, you can see how soft it is and can get a feel of how soft it is inside. But overall, I mean,
what's your rating on this? Of course you have to rate this shoe.
Boy,
out of 10.
The shoe. When they came out, I didn't like them. I just ordered them, you know, to see how it will be like, to see resale predictions and all that. But holding them in hand, no picture has ever done justice to the shoe. I won't even lie to you. Like the texture, the details, the materials used to make this, like the whole idea behind all this is crazy, and the kind of imperfect look it has as well, it just makes it one of a kind, to be honest. Rating, I'll say
10.
There are better blazers out there. I mean, yeah. So I'll give this an 8, 7 to 8. Let's say 7.5.
7.5. That's tough. That's tough.
What do you rate it?
Me, like I said, I like the shoe. It's a dope concert. I don't know, like I just cannot see myself rocking this shoe during winter because I just like to keep my shoes clean, and you know, winter in the UK. But yeah, we've said all that. I'll rate this shoe a 6.
6?
Just above.
Wow.
A 5. Just because it's a 6. It's a strong 6. Going to 6.5. Okay, I'll say 6.5 during summer. Because out of all the shoes that came out this year, this is a strong contender for the summer shoe. That's why I'll put a 6.5. But on a normal day, for me, that is a 6. It's a nice blazer.
Are you saying that in comparison to the low tops or in general?
I think because I like the waffle, the waffle design better. That's why I really wanted them as well. And because I've seen other blazers, like I'm comparing them to the off-white blazers.
Yeah, I'll easily prefer the off-white blazers to this.
So yeah, those are just classics.
But at the same time, this is different.
Yeah.
And again, getting your hands on these is quite difficult. So I mean, once you have that W, boy,
yeah,
just have to find a way to dress it up. But
you just have to. Yeah, that's
problem with this shoe, I think, is going to get out of style.
I don't
in
think
the
so.
next 4 months or so.
You know why? Because I feel like the design itself is so unique, right? Like even after like 2-3 years, when you rock this shoe, you'll still be able to look different. People will still be able to check your shoes and people will still be like, oh bro, what are these?
I should just not because of the name Sacai.
No, I think just because of the design itself, it's different.
Let's be honest here. If Nike came out with a shoe just on its own, exactly like this, would you copy it?
I will.
Sure?
Honestly, I will. Do you know why? Because it's a different Nike shoe. Like, how many times have you seen a Nike shoe that has two swoosh? That has two different laces, two different tones?
In this color though, you go for a simpler color.
I mean, if they come out with different colorways, like a black and a white one, yeah, I'll cop that one straight away because that would be my everyday shoe. And I would wear that one during winter. Oh my bad.
So it's just because of the colors that you say, it's more of a summer shoe.
Yeah, it's the colors, it's the yellow, it's the red.
I'm just saying, you know, I'll just wear this
It's a dope
anytime.
shoe, it's a dope shoe. They came straight from what? BSTN.
Yeah, that's Germany. And they took about, I ordered the shoes on Thursday, they came on a Tuesday. And I must say, that's great delivery service, considering it's all the way from Germany. And yeah, and it also comes with spare laces, but the same spare laces as these, so I'm just guessing it's a replacement for if this gets dirty. So,
Oh no, are they black? Those are navy.
Yo!
They actually come with black laces.
Oh, so the shoe originally comes in a navy and white laces, and it comes laced up. The spare laces are black and another pair of white laces, unless it's cream or something. Yeah, they're just white laces. Yeah, so if you're trying to copy shoes on resale, I'll say StockX, because it's legit.
Yeah, just a safer way.
Yeah, and it's quite cheap on StockX as well. Right now it's about £180. So that's really close to retail. As to when it was released, it was about £300. So the value seems to be going down, but it might go up depending on the hype around the shoe. So you have to watch to be able to get at the best price you can get at.
But yeah,